Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel, AM Gravis. I hope you are all doing great. Our lecture topic is how to get cheap dollar at a lower rate to support your arbitrage business. Since every one of us cannot be a freelancer, work at Upwork or Fiverr in order to support our arbitrage business, and that is why I'm giving you these tips to help you in your dollar arbitrage. Before I commence the tutorial, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so, because in this channel we don't hide anything or having a pay class. We give out much information you needed, and more so, if we release any new video, you will be get notified. Now let us get back to tutorial. The first thing here I will ask you to do is to go to your Google Chrome, or if you have your phones, you go there, and there's a site called Deriv. Deriv is a forex site, but there you can also get a dollar to support your business. So let me just give you all this information, and here we go. Just type Deriv in your Google. Deriv login. I've just seen the Deriv login there. So that is the Deriv login here. So you can just click it. So you allow it to pop up. So you move to the okay. As you can see here, I already have an account with them, so I want to log in now. If you don't have account with Deriv or binary, it's also, we call it binary. Why is binary? Is because binary is the one using this corporation before Deriv now acquire it. Deriv acquire binary. So whether it's binary.com or Deriv, you are still on the way. Now I want to log in my details. After being logged in my details, so I will log into Deriv app now. So if you are new or you don't know how to register, I will drop a link. I think I have done a video concerning how to open a Deriv account. So I've done that. You can follow the step, so that in order to get into Deriv. Now let me just enter my details. Okay, we log in now. All right, as you can see here, this is where we call Deriv app. So this is where we are going to. So permit me to just explain some little things here. As you can see, this is my account. My account is in dollar. I have dollar accounts here. I have Bitcoin account. I have Bitcoin account. You can all see all this one. This is dollar. This is my Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. This is Litecoin account. So all these accounts is helpful. When I buy dollar, I send it to my account, or I use Bitcoin, I send it to any of my cryptocurrency, whether Roku or Binance. I convert it to dollar, but that is not where I'm going today. I just want to teach you where you can get a dollar at a lower rate. So here we go now. So let me leave this place and move to where I'm supposed to go. Now you can see this side. Okay, let me show you where to go. Look at this area. Immediately you open your deriv app like this, you see this area. Look at this area, this place. That is where you will click. Just click on it. So when you click on it, so it will take you to this area, and the next thing here to do is to click on cashier. So you just click on it. Sorry. So it will take, after you click on cashier, it will take you to this place, and where we are going today is to move to deriv P2P. Deriv P2P. So you just click on it now. Now this is where we are going to. This is where you can buy a dollar at a lower rate, and you can also sell it here with what, in a high price. For instance, now we are in buy order. This buy order, look at all this. Like this one now, this one has 180.95 cents US dollar, and you want to sell it. Each dollar is 565 Naira Nigerian. So this one is also selling its own 568. It has 28.67 dollar. So you can also see this one is having 568, selling its own 568. But what you have to be concerned about is just be throwing it up and down, and you look for the cheapest one. So by the time you look for the cheapest one, you can see this one is selling its own 570. So you look for the cheapest one, and then the one you can deal with. So after you look for the cheapest one, you can deal with them here. That is under buy here. But what I want you to understand is that I want you to be more concerned about the completion rate. Immediately, let me click this one and show you. Okay. So and then okay. Coming. So when you come to this place, and then you click on this area. This is where I want to explain for you to be much concerned about. Look at this place. The total orders this guy has complete is 34. He has complete 34, and then the buy completion buy. So this one, total order 34, buy or sell. As you can see this one now, for me, I cannot deal with this particular person. The reason is that he has not sell any dollar. Likewise, he has not even buy any dollar. So that is the reason I will not buy from the person. So I'm just telling you so that you will not run into a wrong hand, because the way that is the way I'm buying my own. And then the second one is that you make sure that the number of deal they have done with is high, and then their phone number, they will put their phone number so that immediately you pay the money, you call them, they have to send the dollar to you. All the account number, the detail is there. All the money they want to send is just that their money will be in their derivative, and then if they didn't send it, the account will be blocked. So there's no scam here, but I just want you to be careful with those completion, and then the number of the dollar they have said to others. Aside from this one, you can also click this area. So you look for the exchange rate, completion rate. So let's go to completion rate now. So this is completion rate. All this completion rate now. So immediately you are into a completion rate. Okay, look at this one now. Let me click this one. This one, look at this one now. This one is the name is Betty. So I wanted to sell $1 at the rate of 579.99 Nigerian. So it wants a bank transfer, and this one, please call before transaction. Thanks. This one asks you to call before the transaction. Buy amount, that is $5. So you have to pay 2,899 naira 95 kobo Nigerian. So you can deal with this one, but let me show you. You can see this one now, but let me go and check the completion rate. You can check the completion. This is where you see a completion rate. You can see this arrow, this one. So you click it. By the time you click it, you will see the completion rate there. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, see here, this is a sample of what I'm telling you now. Look at this one now. The total order is 279. This person buy 5, and he already sell or sold 34 to people, and his own is 100%. So if you deal with this person, the average time release within 23 minutes, you get your dollar. So this one is a perfect one, of which you can buy $1 from this person. So that is how you will be searching for them. Look at them, look at the lowest price. We see how many. Why they are up here is because if you want to sell your own also, you can go to this place. Maybe you want to buy or you want to create order. So the next thing here to do is to come to this here. Look at this, my ad. Have you seen my ad here? So immediately my ad, just click on my ad. So you can see that you have no ad, create new ad. So just click on it. Immediately, total amount of US dollar you want to sell, the fixed rate, you look at their fixed rate, you put it there, minimum order and then maximum order and everything. Payment method, I will say payment method. So in this one now, we have different bank accounts where you can use. So they are using Access Money Wallet, Airtel, SC Wallet, Bank Transfer, Boss, Revolution, Carbon, all this blah 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 blah. All if your own account is not even there, or your bank, you can also add it. You can write it here and add it. Just give you the information that, okay, let's assume that the GTB bank is not there now. You can write GTB bank, GTB bank. So after you write the GTB bank account number, put your account number there. So just put account number there, 45777, okay, something like that. And then the account name also, you put the account name. I'm just using this one. So that is where you would just put the account name there, and then immediately you put it there. So if anybody wants to buy, that is where they will send the money to you, and then you make sure you add your phone number, and then they will contact you immediately. So this is another way of supporting your dollar arbitrage. So this for selling now. Let me go back. Let me go back from this one. Yes. Okay, I think I need to go back to that cashier again. to explain better. Okay, yes, after this one now you can also go back to buy and sell again. So if you want to sell, you can also look at this place. Maybe you buy dollar at a cheap rate or at a lower rate here, and you want to sell it. This is where you go. Just click on that place. By the time you click this side, by the time you click this one, it will take you to sell button. So okay, you can see all this one now. They want to sell at 56. This one has $90, the limit. It has $90 to $400. So at the rate of 560.50. So all this one they want to sell. You can look for this is where you come. If you want to buy your own, you can look for the lower one there. So you buy it immediately. But if you want to place an order, so I told you where to go in order to sell your own. Just click on the my ad and fill the necessary information. So after you got all your dollar, or you just what you are concerned about is your own is to just buy the dollar and move it to another where you want to move it. So that is where you will come to this place, and you will have to convert the money here. All this one, this US dollar, immediately you are buying it, it will be in dollar account. So you can take the money, you can convert it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. So but for me, I will advise you that if you want to take the money out to Coinbase or Behance or anywhere you want to take it to, make sure you use Litecoin, because the transfer fees is very low. Immediately you use Litecoin, so you can, when it gets to the destination, you can now convert back to Bitcoin or Ethereum you want. So all the Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrency that you know that is very cheap, so that the transfer fees will be minimal. So that is it. And that is for this today's. And if you are not understand more, or if maybe you just need something to be clarified, you can just contact me. My phone number, I will drop my phone number the video, and then you can also WhatsApp me. So I hope you enjoy this tip to support your dollar arbitrage. So ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for this, and stay blessed.